Welcome everybody. It is Crypto Moose, and we're gonna get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. Right now, we're gonna go over why you need to secure your crypto using a hardware wallet. So if you guys get something out of this, smash a like button, subscribe for more content like this. Guys, comment down below whatever questions you have regarding hardware wallets specifically for this episode or anything else. So we are going to be doing up to 5 videos a week, typically Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So I'm still working on that a little bit. So why do you need a hardware wallet? That's what I want to get into in this video. Share with you guys how you can pick one up, and also a little bit of, long-term thinking. So let's get into a scenario for most of you. So most of you have never picked up a hardware wallet. So I'm going to send you to the link tree. If you guys want, save up to 25% off. And we're going to get into that throughout this video as well. But the first thing I want to mention is, let's say you're using a hot wallet, okay? Or you have a hot wallet on your phone. So here, let's see what we got. Here I've got on my phone, let's say, what do we got? A Phantom wallet, okay? So I got a hot wallet Phantom. So here I got a little bit of Solana, right? Focus is way back here, but we got some Solana, we got some Bird Dog, some crappy meme tokens. If someone hacks my phone, if someone hacks my computer and they get into my hot wallet, this Mitch Nami, they can potentially go to send, paste in their address, sign a transaction, boom, my crypto's gone. So how do you fix this issue? Well, what you can do is you can pick up a Tangent. You can pick up a Trezor. This is a Trezor. There's the Safe 5, the Safe 3. I've done videos on this. So if you guys don't know which one, I got you covered, guys. Go here to the channel. Go home. Go to the home page right now if you're watching this swiftly. Okay? Ranking the best crypto hardware wallets, or type hardware wallet. I have a bunch of videos. The best hardware wallet under 50 bucks. Ranking the best. The Safe 3. My top 3. This will help you. This one's really good too. My top 3 hardware wallets. This one I did extensively. I went into detail regarding my top hardware wallet. So some videos are better than others, but for the most part, you get an idea as to why you need a hardware wallet, which we're going to basically cover in depth here as well. But really, it comes down to how much you're willing to lose. So what a hardware wallet does is, at the end of the day, is it adds another layer of protection. So like I said, you have software on your phone that could be hacked, okay? Because someone can get in there, sign a transaction. If you hold your crypto offline or on a hardware wallet, you have a 12-word recovery seed phrase. That is stored on the device. So it makes your device encrypted. And what you can do is add another layer of protection in the form of a password. So if someone would physically need your device, they would have to know your PIN and password potentially in order to sign a transaction. So that's what it does. Okay, so it's just like your other hardware wallets, but it adds another layer of protection. So you get into my Nami, you get into whatever, to sign a transaction. If I'm connecting my Trezor through Nami or whatever other software, you cannot send a transaction unless you physically approve it with your device. And oftentimes, everything's showing on your screen, so nobody can see it on the other end. So that is something to think about, and it's something that I wanted to mention. And a lot of you simply do not have a hardware wallet. So I hope this video just kind of helps you out. I hope it sparks some interest. I don't care if you guys pick up a Trezor or a Tangent. Those are my favorite ones. But pick up something that's going to protect your assets long term, because 10 years from now, you're going to look back and be like, you know what? If I didn't hold my crypto on that USB or on the, on a laptop and I'm always on the internet doing strange things and people are hacking me, that's one thing. The other thing is you guys can also use a VPN. So you should be running one of those. It's a virtual private server. It will hide your, virtual private network, and it's going to help hide your IP. So you're much more difficult to track. So keep that in mind. Don't talk about your crypto as much. Obviously, I'm Crypto Moose. I'm somewhat of an influencer online that will be building. So I need things like this, and you guys do too. So specifically for your fungible and non-fungible assets, your digital tokens, it's really the only way you can protect yourself, okay? So you need that layer of protection, okay? The crypto condom, it may protect you in the event that you get a little crazy, right? You got a lot going on. So guys, check out the link tree. Use code MOOSE for the Tangem. Just click here. So I have it pinned in the comments, in the description, in pretty much all the videos. So you can get this for under $50 if you get the 2-card set. And with the Trezor, which is my favorite, this will take you to the Safe 5 now, I believe. So yeah, man, like you guys can save quite a bit of money with this. So guys, check out the tutorials. I also have online courses. Watch the other videos. So with that being said, the moose is loose. Please protect your crypto. I don't care if you use my links or not. Please, 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 no more stories of you guys getting hacked. Cheers.